Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the fuel filter on a Toyota Land Cruiser. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a new fuel filter, a drain pan, and the correct wrenches. Make sure your Land Cruiser is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down completely. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any work. Next, you'll need to locate the fuel filter. It's often situated underneath the vehicle, along the frame, or sometimes within the engine bay itself. Before proceeding, it's crucial to depressurize the fuel system. You can usually do this by removing the fuel pump fuse. Then, place a drain pan directly under the filter to collect any fuel that might spill during removal. Now it's time to remove the old filter. Using the appropriate wrenches, carefully loosen the fuel lines connected to both ends of the filter. Be ready for a small amount of fuel to leak out, which your drain pan will catch. Once the lines are loose, gently detach the old filter. Take a moment to inspect the fuel lines and connections for any signs of damage or corrosion. Finally, install your new fuel filter, making sure it's oriented correctly according to the flow arrows. Reconnect all the fuel lines securely, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Once everything is reconnected, attach the negative battery terminal again. Start your Land Cruiser's engine and carefully check for any fuel leaks around the new filter and its connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.